Good morning. It's Thursday, June 15th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Georgia 511 traffic cam showing the peace and calm of North Georgia in Oakwood this morning. Actually, mostly clear skies in parts of North Georgia. You can see the reflection of the sun there on the roadway. So a pretty nice start up in the northern part of the state. A little different story in South Georgia, just like yesterday with that super active weather day. Most of it is all staying down south of I-20. Now today is going to be a little quieter than it was yesterday, but still looking at some strong to severe thunderstorms. As a matter of fact, these storms here that are moving really from Adel down to Valdosta, they started out severe as they moved in from Alabama into southwest Georgia. And we see a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings over in Alabama and more of those heavy showers, thunderstorms moving in toward Columbus and up to LaGrange. We do have a severe, or this is actually a tornado watch for parts of southern Alabama. Not necessarily going to see a watch extended into Georgia, but I just wanted to show you what was out to our west, so we know that we do have a lot of strong thunderstorms out there again here in the southeast. Temperatures are on the warm side as we get started this morning. That's one of the things that we look at, that we need to get these thunderstorms cooking up with these 70-degree readings in southeast Georgia, upper 60s all the way up to Atlanta, even mid-60s up in the North Georgia mountains. Going to see a little bit more humidity start to move up toward the northern part of the state today as well. So general thunderstorm risk in North Georgia. There's our level 1 out of 5 risk from I-20 all the way down to South Georgia. Albany once again under the gun for strong to severe thunderstorms through the day today, and that level 2 risk takes us all the way out to the Okefenokee. And then as we head into tomorrow, level 2 out of 5 risk still making an appearance in extreme southwest Georgia, Columbus to Albany down to Valdosta, and a level 1 out of 5 risk. And I think things are going to be pretty quiet over the rest of the state of Georgia tomorrow. Mix of sun and clouds, isolated showers and thunderstorms, but a break from all this severe weather for most of the state. And the same thing as we head toward the end of the into the weekend on Saturday. Level 1 out of 5 risk for South Georgia, and then general thunderstorm risk for the mid-state up to Atlanta, and things should be very quiet up toward the mountains. So let's take a look at the timing. Here are those showers and thunderstorms moving in from Alabama. They continue to cruise toward the east. Few of these could be strong to severe. We're looking at a few isolated thunderstorms in here, so we could see a few warnings, a couple more warnings. Already had 2 so far this morning in South Georgia, but these could start popping up again as we move toward the mid-morning hours. Then this afternoon, thunderstorms continue moving across South Georgia. Again, we're going to keep all this. I-20 is about right here, so we're going to keep most of this south of I-20 as we move through the afternoon hours. Up in North Georgia, just a mix of sun and clouds today, and we're just watching for a few embedded thunderstorms in here. Our tornado risk is not as high as today as it was yesterday, but still looking at those strong straight line winds and the possibility of hail. We had one storm cell yesterday that had forecasted wind gust of 80 miles per hour. So even those straight line winds can do a lot of damage. We head toward 4 or 5 o'clock. Bulk of the rain starting to move off the coastline. Still looking at some leftover showers on the backside, and maybe another little round coming in from Alabama. Our modeling could be underestimating this. We'll just see how much energy is left in the atmosphere. But when we get another little organized system like this, we're going to keep a close eye on it moving through the evening hours up to Columbus, all the way down to Americus and toward Albany. Scattered thunderstorms by 8 o'clock this evening, and maybe a few thunderstorms up in North Georgia as well, just with a little bit of lift from the mountains. Overnight tonight, showers, thunderstorms stay with us in southeast Georgia, scattered in North Georgia, and then starting out tomorrow, maybe see some fog in a few spots. Otherwise, not a bad start. Just some clouds. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds through the day today. A little bit of a breeze up in Athens and Atlanta. Thunderstorms down in southwest Georgia. Again, few of these could go strong to severe as we move through the late afternoon and evening hours on Friday. And then let's head into Saturday. Not all that bad, so we'll take a break from the severe weather over most of the state of Georgia. Just on the lookout down in the southern part once again. Albany, Valdosta, Bainbridge, Cairo, Lake Seminole could see a few strong to severe thunderstorms late in the day on Saturday and in the Saturday evening. That's the very latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.